Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by backing up everything: world, resource packs, and server config. Once done, confirm the server and client versions match and check any plugins or mods for conflicts. Then connect via FTP or SFTP and open the resource pack related config files. Make sure the resource pack URL, SHA-1, and size fields are present and exact. Mismatches cause rejection. If you've already downloaded the pack locally, upload it to a stable web host or the server's HTTP endpoint so it's reachable by clients. Once hosted, verify the URL serves the pack with the correct MIME type and without redirects. The Minecraft client rejects redirect chains. Next, generate the SHA-1 hash of the uploaded file and copy the precise value into server. Properties or pack manifest. This is how the client validates integrity. Also record the exact byte size and include it if required. Make sure your hosting supports range requests and concurrent downloads. Slower or blocked hosts can cause the client to abort the apply process mid-transfer. You finish by restarting the server to reload pack settings, then clear your client's resource pack cache or test from a fresh client profile. Rejoin so the client fetches the pack anew. Watch the server log and client log for explicit pack hash, size, or HTTP errors. If it still fails, serve the pack from a different host. A CDN or local LAN HTTP server often resolves subtle network or header issues. Troubleshooting tip: if logs show hash mismatch, regenerate SHA-1 from the served file and update the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.